Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my okra punch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have a combination of mixed spice. I also have some condensed milk. I also have my Guninness. I also have my cooked okra, and as you can see, it's still in the water that I used to cook it. And I also have some almond milk. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour the cooked okra rather, in the blender. And I'm also going to pour out the water that I used to cook the okra also in the blender. Of course, I'm going to add my mixed spice. And this is a combination of nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla. And I'm also going to go ahead and add the almond milk and the condensed milk. And please note guys that this condensed milk also contains vanilla, cinnamon and nutmeg. If you do not want to add that condensed milk, you can go ahead and use the other condensed milk that is on the market, or whichever condensed milk you see at your local supermarket. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this, and I am going to blend this for roughly 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like after it has been blended. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and pour it out in a large container for you guys to see the consistency of this punch. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just add the Guninness, and that's basically it. Very easy and simple. And as you can see, it's already mixed because we added the condensed milk. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour these out in some mason jar and show you guys the final product of my okra punch. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my okra punch. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys try out this recipe, and I hope you guys tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.